Step 1. Eligibility requirements. You need to meet these requirements for a license. Prove that you are 18 years old or older, are legally entitled to work in Canada, have a clean criminal record according to Ontario Regulation 3708, pursuant to the Private Security and Investigative Services Act 2005. Have a valid criminal record and judicial matters check, CRJMC, as per Section 11(2)(c) of the Private Security and Investigative Services Act 2005. Step 2. You need to take a 40-hour training course from an approved provider. The training consists of 33.5 hours of security-specific instruction, 6.5 hours of emergency first aid and CPR. Your training must be from an approved provider. Costs vary depending on the provider and whether the training is taken online or in person. You can find a list of approved providers here. All links will be included in the description for your perusal and for your use. In Canada, security guard and private investigator basic training may only be provided by community colleges, career colleges, licensed agencies, registered employers, and public universities. Some businesses that employ their own security guards or private investigators can offer them training directly. You can go over to this page and type in the name of the community college or other training provider to ensure that they are a valid provider of your training for community college. You'll enter it into this field, or you can scroll down and find the name of the provider you are considering enrolling in. And the same thing applies to the career colleges and everything else. So let's move on to step 3. You are going to get your training completion number, TCN. So once you finish your training, you'll receive a training completion number. This is required to book your licensing exam. Some providers issue a digital training certificate, while others give a physical copy. Step 4. You're going to schedule and pass the security guard exam. After your training, you have to pass the Ontario security guard exam. It's going to consist of 60 multiple choice questions, 75 minutes to complete it, with a passing score of 62%. You're going to go to OntarioSecurityTesting.com to book your exam. Click book a test right here and follow the prompts. Step number 5. You need to apply for your Ontario Security Guard license. Once you pass the exam, you can apply online. You'll need to submit proof of your training completion, your TCN number, your exam results, a passport-style photo, a copy of your ID, and the $80 application fee. The processing time is typically 30 business days. You're going to go over to this licensing portal, hit Get Started, and follow the prompts from there. Step 6. Digital-only security guard license. As of September 30th, 2023, Ontario no longer issues physical security guard licenses. Once approved, you'll receive a digital license by email. You can download and print it, but there's no physical card. You must carry either a digital or printed copy while on duty and present it if requested by law enforcement or an employer. Step number 7. Renewing your security guard license. You can renew your Ontario security guard license up to 90 days before it expires. Once issued, your license's expiry date is linked to your date of birth and will expire 2 birthdays after the issue date. For example, if your birthday is December 15th and your first license was issued on October 1st, 2019, your license expires on December 15th, 2020. Your security guard license is valid for 2 years. To renew it, you submit a renewal application before your license expires, pay the $80 renewal fee, ensure your ID and personal details are up to date. If your license expires, you cannot legally work as a security guard in Ontario until it is renewed. You can go to this website and click Apply or Renew online. And step 8 is staying updated. The most important step is staying informed and connected by joining r/guard guides on Reddit. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more guard guides, and be safe.